Let's move to question number 10. This is the question number 10. Pause the video and try to solve it. So let's take down this question. This question involves the concept of trigonometry 90 minus theta. This topic has been excluded from the topic, but still CBSE has given this question. So let's approach this question. Note that here 90 minus theta formula will be involved. That is not part of the current syllabus, but still we will take it down. Here on referring the table, this portion we got cosec 35 degree is equal to P. Here theta it is 35 degree. Further, cosec 65 degree is equal to 1.1. This we got from the first row, and if we observe the second row, here it is given sec 90 minus theta is equal to 1.7, and theta it is given as 35 degree. That is sec 90 minus 35 it is given as 1.7. Further, sec 90 minus 65 it is given as equal to Q. These four equations are given and we have to calculate the value of P and Q. The direct formula that is involved is sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. This formula we will apply. Here sec 90 minus 35 degree it is given as 1.7. So sec 90 minus theta it is equal to cosec theta. So sec 90 minus 35 degree it will be equal to cosec 35 degree. So we got cosec 35 degree is equal to 1.7. And if we compare these two equations, both involve cosec 35 degree. So P is equal to 1.7. Got it? We got the value of P. Let's find the value of Q. Here sec 90 minus 65 it is given as equal to Q, and just now we have seen sec 90 minus theta it is cosec theta. So sec 90 minus 65 degree it will be equal to cosec 65 degree. And if we compare these two equations, we got Q is equal to 1.1. We got the value of P as 1.7, we got the value of Q as 1.1. So we got the answer of this question as C, P is equal to 1.7 and Q is equal to 1.1. Got it? This concept is not part of your syllabus. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.